Alright guys, here we go. Toyota RAV4. Quick video here. Diagnose the sound. Driving around 200 RPM. We got this clunking, grinding sound on the back of this vehicle. Okay, so you can see the drive shaft right there, up in the front. Going to the back. When you spin this thing, watch, listen. That sound's coming from this side. There's a U-joint right there. I'm trying to spin the drive shaft left and right. And then there's a play, there's a movement on that U-joint right there. There you go. Yeah, that's a bad one right there. So that's the sound that the driver hears when he's driving around 200 RPM up and down on that area. But on the higher output, on the freeway, he's fine. So we're gonna need a new U-joint, but who knows, probably you can buy the U-joint with that size on the SUV. This is tiny. Some you have to buy the whole drive shaft all the way and right in the middle, right there. Alright, that's it. That's how you quickly find a problem. Thanks for watching.